Hey, what's good? Hey, unfortunately, I did not go home. Man, I'm on the road. It's not snowing like everybody thought it would, but it still is snowing. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for locking in and rocking in with your boy. But if you made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. You know what I'm saying? We vlogging and trucking, mile hungry, money hungry. We doing everything that got to do with hungry. You hear me? Yes, sir. Tap in with your boy. We ain't doing nothing, man. I'm finna treat myself. You know, got the candle smelling good and everything. Man, finna relax, watch me a little movie or something, man, kick back, and I'm back at it. Excuse me, I'm back at it tomorrow. See y'all in the morning. Hey, so we still out here, and man, it's crazy. I was supposed to go to the house, but I said, oh, it's gonna be light. You know, it ain't gonna be too much. It's not gonna be all crazy. Now let me show y'all what I got myself into. This is what I got myself into. So, what it look like? Of course, y'all know it's snow, so y'all know how it works, but on airlines, make sure they straight, they ain't too froze, they able to pull through. They got that air flowing through them. That's the wind. Some people they gotta take their time. I don't know where them dudes come from. They came out here and parked. That's a street right there they parked on, man. They ain't even on the side of the road. Dang. But you know, look at this. Now it's going to be a whole bunch of sliding and sleeting, man. What I didn't want to deal with, but you know, you got to do what you got to do, man. You got to do what you got to do. This is what it's looking like out here. It's real cold. Hey, walk on the side of this truck, man. See what's tire straight. This and it's sticking, but lightly. This is how that sleet gets. Sleet go. This is what makes you slide down the road. This type of snow right here. So, excuse me. Yeah, this used to be a Love's right here. Well, it used to be a Pilot. I'm sorry. They built a new one over there, but they don't want us to park here for some weird reason. They should let us park here. I don't know what's the dilemma. Well, that's parking right here. It's an empty lot. I don't know what to tell him. Dude was smart. He parked right in front of me. Let somebody else park. See, I gotta get that off the window and off my windshield wipers right now. That's what I'm about to try to do. Hey, my ears cold as I don't know what, boy. I just was out there trying to get this snow off my white wipers. See, I think I got a little more to go right here. I got that side off over there, but I need to get this off. You can't really see it. I gotta get a light, but hey, follow y'all first mind with whatever y'all want to do. Like, follow y'all first mind, because I should have followed my first mind. That's what I should have did, and I didn't. I gotta go back out there and get that ice off of there. I gotta get that ice off of there. I can't ride up the highway with my wiper working. Hey, man, but it's a new day, y'all. We still pushing. I gotta go back out there. That one looked good, but this one, no, I gotta get that ice off. Take y'all with me. Watch your step too. You be done slipped out. Slipped on the you done slipped on your footstep. And I ain't closing my door all the way. Look at all those people, man. I knew everybody was gonna come park right here. I just didn't give them no ideas too fast. First, I don't know what these dudes gonna do. If state trooper get over here, dude driving like it ain't even snow out here. You see that? See, I gotta get that off. You see that? I gotta get that off right there, off the wiper blade. Actually, I'm about to. I think I'm about to. Hold on, because I can't. Hold on. We got it on. Woo. We ain't gotta get this. My last, for those that y'all asked, my last ice scraper, I let somebody use it and I forgot he had it. So, y'all see where that went, but looks like I got it off pretty much. I didn't roll that window down. I don't know how I got down, but yeah. We're looking a little better right now. We're looking a little better. We're looking a little better, people. Ah. Woo! You gotta be prepared. I gotta give me some. I got a ski mask when I lift it out the house. Gotta be more prepared. Cause it still is winter. Okay. Woo! Woo! Hey, boy. Peace. Hey. Yeah. Let's see. Gotta give me some stuff to have for breakfast. Yeah, there we go. Sounds a little better. Sounds a little better. Yeah. We're gonna get this party on the road and get back with y'all. Get up out of here, man. I don't know what they got going. They were supposed to have, the heater was supposed to be on. We were parked too close to me back there. Too close, buddy. Buddy, you're too close behind me, buddy. They trooper, they ain't tripping. They need us to get our rest. Let's see what the highway looking like. Let's see what the highway looking like, y'all. We need this sun to come up. I was trying to wait till the sun came all the way up. We need the sun to come up. Get some of this stuff off the road. The Humvee parked on the opposite side of the street. This is what it looked like, y'all, when we keeping the world going. That's exactly what it looks like. We ain't got no. Look. I'm sliding to get up the hill. Making it shake though. Y'all see this road? Let's see what it look like when we get on the freeway. When we get completely on. We still on the on-ramp right now. If we can get on that highway and we see concrete and it's just wet, then we good. We can make something shake. But if it's too thick and it's like, you know, like not shiny, if it looks wet, then we good. But if it don't look wet, then we got a problem. So we got 2 lanes, but of course, everybody's gonna be in one. Hold on, let me let this. Past me so bad. You want to go past me so bad. He all over there. So of course we gonna ride in the right lane. All the trucks. Y'all see though, I'll get back to y'all. So the good thing that I was close to the Loves, this is what happened to my windshield wiper. So I can't really go down the highway like that. Look at these, look at where we gotta park at, man. Coming up with truck parking is it's a good thing, man. I'm telling you, good thing. But we be needing to park for free. come up with like a truck stop and some type of gas station, you'll be in the game. See if I can get in one of these pumps right here. I need to get some fuel and fix this windshield wiper, so that's what I'm shooting for right now. Oh, I think I got one. Hopefully ain't nothing wrong with it. Hopefully ain't nothing wrong with it. Let's see. It look like I'm good for right now. Look like I don't see no out of order sign, because that's what you gotta worry about. Just windshield wiper out the way. Take too much time. You want to take your time, but you don't want to take up too much time. So I want y'all to see this fool. Both of them. They in the snow, look at them. No jacket or nothing. Get out here and get this windshield wiper and get this gas. Oh, man. How this works. Matter of fact, hold on y'all, cause I can't hold it. I got it fixed. Now I'm walking inside this Loves. You gotta watch your step. They finished the remodel. It looked cool. So get in here. Let's see. Give me something for the fridge, get my receipt, and I'm back up the highway. Let me, you know what? We're gonna try this again. Hopefully we don't have no mishaps with these wiper blades and nothing else on this highway. Cause I'm behind like an hour right now. Maybe I can get going. Let's see. Yeah, I should be. I'm usually way further than what I am right now. Way further than what I am right now. Woo, but hey, I appreciate y'all rolling with your boy. Let's see, man, we get up out of here. Let us get up out of here. Come on, man, I gotta get this. Check engine lights on and all this. Something going on. I need this to cut off. You see that? That air. The air. All I'm worried about is the air. I don't care nothing about that lane departure. Hurry up and get up out the way, man. I don't need no cruise control. Okay, cool. We off. It's off, so we get to keep going now. Good, good, good. Let's go, people. Y'all see the snowies? Yeah. he get over there like that? That's crazy. What the heck? How did he get on it? Hey, so now I'm out the snow. And it's unfortunate I'm getting held up right now. TQL keep blowing me up about this load, right? I get over here and they ain't picked it. They ain't ready. So why TQL keep calling me? TQL, can y'all answer that? Why y'all keep calling me about this load and y'all they ain't even ready? I know they not calling y'all. They got the tracking on. They tracking me. TQL track you. They want you to approve tracking. They track me. They see that I'm here. And then they gonna call and say, where you at? You tracking me, bro. So what do you mean where I'm at? Stop playing games with me. But you know, here we go, bro. I'm finna park it. I'll get back at y'all. Let y'all know when they ready. Hey, I ain't home yet. We out here though. I done found a little spot in Birmingham, Alabama. It's a Circle K. I'm trying to find all these new spots. That's a let's see if I can get up on that. That's a P right there. He moving. Heavy hauler, ultimate sleeper. It's nice though. Wonder where you going though. Armstrong United. We got a lot of work to do. Looking good though. 18 speed. Step deck moving. Yeah, man. The dude was parked all over there. It's cold. When I say it's cold, it's cold. I'm trying to avoid the bull. But you know, can't do it. Somebody got a Corvette that work at this thing. Old Silverado. Look, the old Silverado. Yeah. Hey man, I'm finna go in here. Grab me some dinner real quick. Somebody got the limo. Oh, see the limo? He at the truck stop with the limo. Let's see how these work out. Oh, I gotta go all the way around. That's crazy. So they be having people stealing. That's what that means. That's what that tell me. They be having people stealing. He looking for a nice spot to park. Parking space over there. It look like it. Then again, it ain't. He trying to, yeah, he finna get it. He finna get it. He parking that big thing. That's how you know when it's ugly. You got on security cameras. So that mean it go down around here. Hopefully they ain't playing no music.
Dictator had a election. He always gets
They ain't playing no music, but let's see what's the options. Oh. Get y'all back because they start playing music now. Fresh off the scale. I got my load way in Georgia. I stopped at this little Circle K. It's cool. They keep the truck, keep the lot clean. Dude trying to rush me, bro. You could have been pulled off. But keep the lot clean. They don't got no showers, but you can park here. You just can't store your stuff here. You know what I'm saying? That's the only thing. Some of these dudes parking. It's a nice little Freightliner FLD with a condo. That was cool. But yeah, man, we on our way to the house right now. I need to get to the house. My wiper blade is not working properly. But you know, it is what it is. Should exit this way. So we turn this way. They got this short little corner for us to turn down. It's cold as I don't know what. We fixed this blade. I gotta keep stopping with my blade. Stopping with my blade. Birmingham, Alabama. It's cool right here, but I heard some gunshots last night. This how you know that gas station empty. What's wrong? Why that gas station abandoned right there? That's, you know what I'm saying? You gotta ask yourself these questions. I'm finna jump on this 65 north to the 22. So I'll get back to Arkansas. Yeah. That's what I'm trying to get to. Yep. Get the pushing. Gotta push. One thing about the country, if you got some land, you can park your stuff on the land. You know what I'm saying? Which is a good thing. I'm getting on the freeway. Everybody wanna act like they don't see me. You don't see this big old load? You don't see it? Yep. Get back with y'all. Trouble, me getting up the hill. Yeah, snow. Successful trip back to the house. I really appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, cut your post notifications on. Hey, let me get this truck in the driveway, man. But if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you, man, for rocking with the brand. Money Hungry, that is. I'm gonna get back with y'all at a later day. I made it to the house safe through all the snow. You feel me? We made it. Appreciate y'all. I thought I was done, but loads called. We up in Fayetteville, Arkansas. Had to come through this last little load. I'm glad ain't no snow on the freeway though, because I sure would have stayed at home other than that, because, yeah, y'all see what it's looking like out here. This is Arkansas, and it's beautiful. It looks nice sometimes. Yeah. That wet stuff over there on the right, well, yeah, that's the stuff that's dangerous right there. But as long as the temperature go up, we good. Remember, I used to be up in Joplin, Missouri. I used to always go up there. You slow down. Just 60 miles around this bend. I hope y'all having a good day, man. Y'all see we still getting through the snow, making everything work out. Hurry up and get to my destination. I'm supposed to be there on time at 11 o'clock. I'll be there on time. See, the good thing about driving through snow when it's flat like this, you all right. You feel me? It ain't too icy. You got an idea. I hope they ain't. Wait a minute. Hold on. What's going on? I hope I can get by. It look like they blocking the street. What's going on here? I gotta get by these dudes. Y'all see this line? This is a long line right here. Oh yeah. This shipper. Nah, man, nah. What the heck? I can't be going there. Nah, I ain't going there. Woo! My pen's showing up somewhere else. I'm glad, because that line is crazy. Crazy line. Dang. Then they backing up right there. Oh, man. Yeah, cool. I'm up here. All right, great. Had me nervous there. Y'all let him know I'm coming, man. Yeah. Pay attention, brother. Pay attention. Thank God that I ain't gotta go right there, man, because that's crazy. And I just hope they done shoveled their driveway, because you know where trucks load at, they kind of don't. Okay, cool. Their driveway look a little shoveled a little bit, because ice will slow you down. Yes, let's get it going. I'm gonna go to door 4. Gotta go to door 4. Let's see how this works out. Whoa, that ice, look at that ice. Taking me where it wanna take me to. Ice taking me where it wanna take me to. What door you want me in? Woo!
Appreciate you, man.
All right. 49ers, huh? That's right. Well, I can agree with you.
Born and raised in California, brother.
Okay,
Come on,
what part?
Huh? Modesto, Central.
Let's see. Pull these handles back. Okay, now I'm done. I'm at home. I should have been here at 1 o'clock, but hey, that's how I be. Come on, Glory, let's go. See y'all on the next one.
99% of grease in half the time. Better grease getter.
What up with y'all? I done made it back. Hold on, cause I'm playing shot. Hold on. Hey, I'm over here packing up stuff, shipping stuff out. If you did order any merch from me, you will be getting it. It will be coming. I appreciate y'all for bearing with me, giving me a little time. Y'all know I be on the road, doing what I be doing on the road. This truck life. So stuff is getting shipped out, fresh off the truck, up to packaging. If you new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Catch your post notifications on. Y'all see what I'm doing, man. I got merch. I'm trucking. You know what I'm saying? I'm vlogging my lifestyle. I really appreciate y'all tapping with your boy. Let me get up on y'all. But we working, we grinding. Let me show y'all a little merch real quick. Show y'all a little merch. Hold on. Little merch right here. That's the heat press. I got the Money Hungry puffer jacket for the females. You know what I'm saying? That's going out. Got a hoodie going out. I got more merch coming. Just trying to get this going. Let me catch up to what I gotta do. I got red tees. Oh yeah, okay. This the tracksuit. I got the tracksuit. Money Hungry tech suits, what they call. But I'm working. We working. We making it happen. But hey, tap in with me. I'm gonna get back at y'all. Let me finish this.